Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for Gala. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for Gala. We have our update on this price right here as per our previous charting, which you can check on our playlist. We are expecting Gala to hold this range right here. And as for me, I'm even looking forward for a break at this wedge, kind of like a bull flag if you're gonna zoom it out. Last week, there is an estimated $200 million exploit after an attacker minted 5 billion Gala token, then swapping 600 million tokens for ETH via Uniswap. The good thing is they managed to froze the wallet, and the next day, the attacker returned $22 million worth of ETH, which was exchanged for Gala token. Then the team burned them, thus cutting the overall supply. Also, they are considering the remaining 4.4 billion token effectively burned. Those are currently stuck in a frozen wallet anyway. Additionally, after that, they announced a new 24-hour Gala founders node governance, deciding if a Gala contract upgrade will be deployed to enhance security. That incident caused this volatility right here, but Gala bounced back and tested the resistance of this wedge. I'm still gonna expect it to break out at least for this week. Then minor resistance after coming out at this range will be 59.90 at this yellow line, while for major support it will remain at the pink line and the orange line around 35.27. On the other hand, furthermore breakout at 59.90, then I'm gonna expect Gala to head on 0.12 to 0.17. You may also comment what is your target for Gala. And for now, that's it for our short-term support and resistance. For other market updates that you might need to know, they are posted on our community wall. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.